Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on Cycle Fanatics. Pretty cool video today for you guys. So, have you guys ever been not comfortable on a long trip due to no back support? Well, we're gonna solve that problem today by putting in an adjustable backrest. Yeah, so the past few rides, they've been pretty lengthy rides, and you definitely wanna lean back on something, be able to give your lower back some support. So we're gonna install a backrest, an adjustable backrest today. And here it is right here. You got the backrest, you have this is the mounting hardware that's gonna hold that in place. It's got the actuator, has the switch, the toggle, so you could adjust the backrest. So I'm gonna show you guys basically how to put this in. I'm not going to take you guys through step by step. It's fairly simple, but we're going to show you guys what basically to take it apart, how the install looks, and then see how it feels. But before we do that, do me a favor guys, go to my channel, click that subscribe button and click that bell, so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos, and give this video a like. All right guys, let's get to it. All right, so first steps first, I'm gonna take off the seat and then we're gonna see what the first steps are. I'm gonna dive into the directions. We're gonna take the seat off now, put that aside, take it from there. All right, so I took the seat off. You're gonna have to take these two nuts off right here and install this bracket that came with the hardware here. You're gonna have two bolts right there that are going to get mounted to this plate, one bolt there, and then you're going to put those nuts back on and mount the backrest hardware, which has the actuator, and we're going to attach the switch with the cable and run it down over here. That's what we're going to do next. All right guys, so I have the entire hardware mounted there, the seat bracket with the actuator. I ran the cable down through here, and if you have a deflector, you're gonna need to take out that top bolt right there, and then you can mount the bracket. You have two bolts right there that hold the switch, and then one bolt that holds the bracket, and then just run the cable up along the side, wire tie it right there. Super easy. I mean, it's done basically. So now I'm gonna put the seat back on, put everything back together, and I'll show you how to mount the seat. It's super simple. Pops off anytime you want. If you want to use it or you don't want to use it, you could take it off and on whenever you want. So let me show you guys how that looks. All right, got the seat back on. Nice and clean. You have the toggle switch right there for the backrest. You're gonna definitely want to get an adjustable one. So let me show you guys how it goes in. So now this is the backrest. It's going to fit right there into the slot, like so. So now you guys can see the backrest is on there, but I'm gonna move it back. That seems pretty forward for me. Let me see. Yeah, so this is kind of pretty uncomfortable. So let me move it back. You see that? Oh, yeah. Perfect. So I could basically touch the handlebars perfectly. I don't have to reach forward with the seat all the way in the back position. Now, if I want to scooch this seat forward more, as you can see, ow, So it goes that much. If I want to be more upright, I could put it more upright if I'm getting uncomfortable. Or I could put it all the way back and just chill. This also gives you support when you crack that throttle, so this way you don't have to hold on for dear life. But it's definitely really, really comfortable. I'm gonna love this for long rides. Also, what's cool, this seat, not only does it move forward and aft, there's actually right here, that's in the all the way the down position. If you pull that pin, I think there's 4 or 5 height settings. So you could actually make it higher to give yourself a little more back support, a little higher up in the back. But I'm gonna put it in the full down position. That's plenty for me. That looks sweet too. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. But I know this is gonna be super comfortable for long trips, especially cracking the throttle. Also, another thing, when you're in cruise control too, you got the hands off the wheel or something for a second, or especially if you have your right hand off the handlebar and you want to toggle the speed up a little with the left hand, sometimes it jerks forward, and obviously if you don't have both hands on the handlebars, it gets a little scary. But with this backrest, definitely you have the support. You know you're not gonna fall back on the bike, and it looks really good too. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna actually take a ride over by Sandy, Holy Shift. I think he's doing a full service on his bike, oil change, primary, tranny, everything. So I'm gonna shoot over there, see how this backrest is. Where are you? Right there. We're gonna check out the backrest, make sure that it's comfortable. I'm sure it will be. But do me a favor, guys, give this video a like. And if you're definitely interested in a backrest, if I were you, I'd go get it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button and click that bell. So this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. Check out the merch below as well. Really appreciate it. Check you guys later on the next video on Cycle Fanatics. Take care, guys.